Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the DST WISE KIRAN IPR Women Scientist Scheme. This fellowship is specifically designed to empower women in the field of science and technology. In this video, we'll be delving into the details of this fellowship and the selection process. So, let's get started. What is the DST WISE KIRAN IPR Women Scientist Scheme? Women Scientist Scheme is a prestigious and unique program initiated by the Department of Science and Technology, DST, during 2002-03. Its main objective is to uplift and encourage women scientists across various research areas who had a break in their careers but desired to return to the mainstream. The scheme aims to empower women in the field of science by providing them with various opportunities and resources needed to excel in their research work. It supports women scientists to overcome the challenges they face in their careers and enables them to contribute significantly to the scientific community. The selection process for the WISE scheme consists of several steps. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Step 1. Application submission. Interested candidates must first submit their applications through the specified online portal. The application form requires detailed information about the candidate's academic background, research work, achievements, and references. Step 2. Screening of applications. After the application submission deadline, a panel of experts and scientists thoroughly reviews and screens the received applications. They evaluate each candidate based on their research potential, innovative ideas, and suitability for the fellowship. Selection will be through an all-India online examination and interview. Shortlisted candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be called for the online test. The online exam will be conducted simultaneously at all examination centers on the same date under the supervision of TIFAC, that is Technology, Information, Forecasting, and Assessment Council. A merit list will be drawn after the online exam for the purpose of interview, and such successful candidates will be informed. The online exam will be mainly objective in nature, having negative marking, and aimed at determining the analytical, scientific, and technical abilities. The duration of the online examination will be 2 hours and the total number of questions will be 120. The questions will be multiple choice questions, MCQ type. The question paper will have 2 sections of 60 questions each, namely Section A, General Section, and Section B, Technical Subject Section. Section A will be common for all. Section B will be different for different candidates as per their subject stream. Candidates will be able to view questions in Section B based on their subject stream. Section A will be a general section and contains 60 questions common to each paper to be attempted by every candidate. These questions will be on general aptitude, quantitative aptitude, mental ability, general science and general awareness, IPRs, and English language. Section B will be a technical subject section and will have 60 questions of 10+2, UG/PG degree level with a suitable mix. These questions will be from the respective technical subject domains. Step 3. Shortlisting of candidates. Based on the evaluation, a shortlist of candidates is prepared. These candidates are deemed to have exceptional potential and are considered eligible for the next round of selection. Step 4. Interviews and presentations. The shortlisted candidates are then invited to appear for interviews. This step allows the expert panel to gauge the candidate's knowledge, research capabilities, and future plans in detail. The interviews will be held at the coordination centers. Step 5. Final selection. After careful evaluation of the interviews and presentations, the expert panel selects the final fellowship awardees. The chosen candidates are informed and provided with detailed instructions regarding the fellowship tenure, benefits, and responsibilities. The selection procedure usually commences in the month of August and concludes in December following the beginning of the orientation program at New Delhi. Training. The total duration of the training is 1 year, which will include 1 month of an intensive orientation program on intellectual property rights. The orientation program consists of several lecture sessions provided by the keynote speakers in the IPR domain. The lectures broadly cover all the key aspects related to intellectual property rights, including the Indian legal system, basics of IPR, valuation, licensing, development of IPR policies, and hands-on workshop on searching for patents, designs, and trademarks. After the completion of the 1-month orientation, the candidates will be assigned to hands-on training in agencies engaged in practicing IPR for the rest of the period. The partner agencies of the scheme are government agencies, IP attorney law firms, knowledge processing organizations, and companies located in and around the coordination centers. To provide immense knowledge to the candidates in IPR, Several workshops are conducted during the year on patent searching, patent drafting, and other forms of IPR. The candidates must attend and participate in all the IPR-related workshops and seminars. And that brings us to the end of our video on the DST WISE KIRAN IPR scheme and its selection process. This fellowship truly opens doors for women scientists, empowering them and supporting their scientific journeys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.